grabbed the sippy cup for him and he dug around and found another car.
Oh.
No license plate, they can't track us.
Do you want some lemonade juice?
Yes.
Well, what do you do in the yellow juice?
We haven't been caught yet.
Oh, thirsty boy.
So I just need to be prepared for that night that I get a phone call from Kenny.
Yeah, you're close enough.
Ooh.
They probably take me.
Just one or two left
When you
there.
keep running away from them, you probably want to do a little more
What's
ticket.
that?
Well, they
That's
don't
what-
have any plates on them.
Oh, we still had some of those? Or are those over here?
Those are here.
Mm.
You gonna eat one? It's got a sticky side. Or are you not need to eat it?
He's trying to put the sprinkles back on.
We don't want to make a mess, okay?
And another pencil.
Yeah.
And then another pencil.
Here,
And
you
then
eat that one.
what's another? What's another?
These are small parts of them. You can eat those.
You like those white pretzels? I think so. I think so.
That's the old car.
The other red car?
Mm-hmm.
The new one?
Yeah.
Papa's looking at it. Otherwise you got these two red cars. That one's actually an orange truck that Papa has.
A Hummer.
It's a Hummer.
That's right, it's the Hummer.
They're being discontinued too, aren't they? GM's gonna quit them making them
Yeah.
too.
Alex, were we playing bingo?
Well, they really went nuts.
Can you say that? Bingo.
Doesn't
Bingo.
seem to open in the back.
Yeah, I don't think any of them. They look like they should. Like even this one. That feels like it should, but
Mm-hmm.
I suppose that's just one more piece that you have to worry
It's just how they're put together.
Wow. Pretty cool.
You and your huge cars.
Which Walgreens did you go to?
One by on 47 there.
Rockford Road?
Sharon's house.
Okay.
That was a little early, so I thought, I want to see if they have forks. They didn't.
Hmm.
So you were late.
I looked at them today over there, they had a whole bunch of them out.
Were they on sale for
Three
for
whatever.
$13.98?
Yeah.
Still there today too. I couldn't remember which ones you bought, so I didn't buy any.
Yeah. Oh, I think. Oh,
You got them on your lip?
It's a home.
Did you hear a honk? Just grab the pretzel, don't grab the sprinkles, otherwise it's going to be too messy. Yeah, messy. Here, how about you eat this one and then we'll put them away?
I don't think he wants it. He's,
Like this one? Okay, I'm not going to put these away. Otherwise you're going to spill it all over. Oh,
I'm gonna see.
Do you want to come to the church?
most of the sprinkles. We will dump those for sure.
The bell up there? Ring, ring, ring. Should we twist it again?
That mini spot's got worth some bucks.
See, these two are, they almost look so much bigger than this one. I was concerned about.
Same size though.
Do you know what song that is, Alex?
Aren't they?
Yes.
It looks
What
like
song
the
is
church
it?
at the
Same
Henry,
scale,
something
but-
very similar to
Silent
Eureka.
Night? Is that a
The
Christmas
one in
song?
Eureka.
No, it's a lot.